Hello brilliant student. Now let's look at this problem together. Now, if x is an acute angle and tan x equals to 3 over 4, evaluate cos x minus sin x all over cos x plus sin x. Now to solve this problem, the first thing is to remind ourselves of the trigonometrical ratio. Now we have SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so sin x is the same thing as opposite over hypotenuse. So we have opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, cos x is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, and tan x equals to opposites over adjacent. Okay, now the next thing is to draw our right angle triangle. Now let's draw the right angle triangle. Okay, we have been given the acute angle to be x, so we have x to be here. So this is the adjacent, this is opposite, and hypotenuse. All right, now let us look at what is given. We are given tan x to be equals to 3 over 4. Now when you look at this, it means that 3 is opposite and 4 is what? Adjacent. Now let us plug that into this diagram. So we have this to be 3, while this is what? 4. So now let's call our hypotenuse y. Now we determine that now. So making use of our Pythagoras theorem, we have y squared equals to 3 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, so we have y squared equals to 9 plus 16. Okay, so now let's add this and this together. You have 25. So you take square root of both sides. So you have y equals to square root of 25, and therefore y equals to 5 units. Okay, so now we can get expression for our sine and cos. So now we can write cos x and sine x to be opposite. What is opposite? 3 over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is y, so over 5. Now cos is what? Adjacent, that's 4 over hypotenuse, and that is 5. All right, now let's plug in this value into this expression and see what we are going to have. All right, so we have cos x minus sine x over cos x plus sine x equals to, now cos x is what? 4 over 5. We have 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5. 3 over 5 divided by, okay, 4 over 5 plus 3 over 5. Okay, so and that gives us what? 4 minus 3 over 5 divided by 4 plus 3 over 5. And that gives us what? 1 over 5 divided by 7 over 5. All right, so we have 1 over 5 times 5 over 7. So 5 cancel 5. So the answer is 1 over 7. That is the answer to the problem. Thank you for watching. Bye.